If you've been struggling to buy Solana meme coins or sell your Solana meme coins, then watch this video carefully, because in this video I'm about to show you how you can trade your Solana meme coins within few seconds. Yes, there is actually a way that you can sell or buy Solana meme coins just within few seconds, instead of going all through the hassles and everything to get this done. And with this platform, it's easy for you, because instead of waiting or trying to go through so many processes, all you just need to do is to input your contract address and swipe your finger, and you've bought your Solana meme coin. That is what I've been using to trade my Solana meme coins, and it has been working for me. But before I go ahead to show you the application or the platform, if you're not in my Telegram channel, if you're not in my TikTok, if you're not in my YouTube, please do well to subscribe to my channel. This is Blockchainplus, the community that helps people to invest wisely to grow their money in crypto and forex. Alright, so this is our platform. Just come to Telegram and search for Blockchain Plus like this, and you join it. Joining this platform is totally for free, and you get all the educations, all the tips, all the guides, and the signals that you need to grow yourself. And also, do well to subscribe to this channel, which is my TikTok or my YouTube channel, to actually help me grow. All right, with that said, let's go over to the video of the day, right? So now, if you come to this application, this is actually Moonshot. So with this application, it is easy for you to trade your Solana meme coins, and I'm going to show you how to actually use this application to buy and sell your Solana meme coins without any hassle. All right, so let's go ahead. Now, if you've not downloaded this application, if you don't have this app on your phone, just click the link that I will drop in the description of this video. Click that link, and it's going to take you to the real app on your Play Store or your iPhone, and you're going to download it and then register an account. Registering is as simple as ABC. So just register your account and start using it. Now, when you come to this application, this is Moonshot. The name of the application is Moonshot, as you can see it here. As you can see, this is it right here, Moonshot, right? So let's go back to it right now. So this is Moonshot. So once you register and your account, then you're going to see all of this. You're going to see home, you're going to see create, you're going to see reward, you're going to see holdings. So please use my link so that at least I'll benefit from the reward as well, right? So now, for you to be able to buy, it's very easy. Once you're in the home, this is the home. You can see all these coins that are here on the home. Some of them I added them. Now, once you're in the home, all you need to do is to come to this search bar here, search bar, and search for the coin you want to buy, right? But then I always advise that you don't just search for the name of the coin, right? For instance, let's say I want to search for, okay, let me just go to Dex Screener right now and look for a random coin and look for the name and come and search it. So let me just take a random one like this Kylo. Let me just pick this Kylo right here. Okay, that is Ethereum. So I'm not going to pick that. Let me look for Solana. Let me remove this from Ethereum and put it on Solana. So now you can see this is Loopy. So this is Loopy, Loopy. So let's just go and type that on Moonshot. So if I come here and type this on Moonshot, Loopy, you can see nothing popped up, right? Nothing popped up. So if the coin is new and it is not yet on Moonshot, there is no need typing the name. That's one. Secondly, if you type the name and the coin is there, it may pop up the wrong one for you. So the best way to go, the best route to go is usually to go using the word contract address. Now, when you click on this search, there's something you'll notice under here. You'll notice there are new coins, there is cat coins, there is AI coins, there is what? Let's go. You can see TikTok coins, you can see dogs, frogs, politics, celebrities, stocks. So depending on the one you want to go for, you can just leave it on new coins, or you go for cat. Maybe you want to trade cat meme coins. You come to the cat categories and look for the cat coins you want to trade. If you want to trade TikTok coins, click on TikTok and search for the one you want to trade. Okay, look at all of these TikTok coins that really made wave that period. You can see Giga, you can see Moondeg, you can see Chill Guy. But all these coins made a lot of people millionaires when they were launched, right? So now that is one way you can also look for coins in this place. You can see frog, so you can click on it to search this, and just the few frogs that are here, they're not really much. Then you can see politics and all of that. So now let's go back to how you can get your coin right here and then buy it. So now if you click on this set, all you're going to do is to paste the contract address. I've already said it from the beginning. Just copy the contract address. There is no point searching for the name. So let me go to Dex screen now and then open the same loopy. Remember when we searched for it, it didn't pop up, right? So I copy the contract address like this, and then I come here and paste that same contract address. Now you can see loopy is out. So it is telling you that this coin is unverified. That is because the coin is not yet traded in their channel, but you can actually buy it using your Moonshot. All you now need to do is to click on it. Just click on it and you're going to see the buy button, right? So once you see the buy button, the next thing you need to do is to click on the buy. So you see how simple and easy it is to buy coins here, and then you type the amount you want to buy. So right now I have just $2 left here. I just kept that one in case of what gas fee if I want to swap, because you must have a gas fee in all this decentralized exchange for you to be able to swap your coins, right? So that's why I left that there. So let's just say I put $2. The next thing, just swipe this button. You can see this button right here. You just swipe it. Once you put the amount you want to buy here, you swipe the button all the way to the right, and you've bought the coin. You can see how easy it is to buy coins using Moonshot. Same thing, if you want to sell, all you need to do is to go to your holdings, because once you buy the coin, you're going to see it in your holdings. This is my holdings right here. You can see it right here. So all you just need to do is to go to your holdings, and then you see all the coins that you have, right? Then the next thing you want to do is to click on the one you want to sell. Let's say I want to sell this one right here. So I'll click on it. Can now see the sell button is out. So I'll click on the sell button like this. Then you can see the worth of what I have here is $28. So all I need to do is I click maximum to sell all, then I swipe this to this way, and then I sell off. So that is as simple as it is. There is nothing complicated in using this platform. This is one of the simplest and one of the best platforms to trade Solana meme coins right now. So if you love this video and if you love the way the app is, the simplicity of the app, just go ahead, download the app and start using it. And if you love content like this, please give a like in this video, share this video with your friends so that they too can benefit from it. And if you have any questions, just drop it in the comment section and I will answer your questions for you. And if you've not still subscribed to this channel, please just hit that subscribe button and subscribe to this channel as to also support my work. Alright guys, that is it for me in this video. Till I come your way again, remain blessed.